السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Good morning. I would like to welcome you all in the third day of LEAP 24. And before I start, I would like to thank you all for being here. I would like to thank all our partners from the region and from the globe to be part of this commitment, to be part of this ambitious future. In the first day, His Excellency the Minister Swaha mentioned historical numbers. One of them is commitment to investment 11.9 billion to the country in the opening remark. Today, I'm really excited to cover the second day, which is mainly a historical day for entrepreneurship and tech startups in the region and the globe. The first day, His Excellency Minister mentioning one of the greatest announcements, which is AWS, to be in the country. And the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia becoming the only country in the region to have all the hyperscaler in the country. AWS, Google, Microsoft, Alibaba, Oracle, and others. Yesterday, I was visiting hall number 3 for entrepreneurship. And this is an invitation for all of you to go there, because it is the true moment where you see aspirations and dream of young and youth people thinking about the problem statement of the future. So always they give me this positive energy when I visiting them. All of them, they are talking about this announcement. They are really happy and excited about having access to all hyperscalers within the country, committed, announced in the stage in the first day. So for the second day, LEAP did not disappoint us. Another historical day yesterday. And there is lots of announcement. And due to the short of time, I will summarize it in 3 points. The first one, when it comes to investment fund. 7 investment funds been announced on the stage yesterday with the amount of $835 million. To put you in perspective, His Excellency Swaha mentioned in the first opening remark that from 2018 until 2023, we've been increasing the total VC fund by 23x. It's not 23%, 23x increase. Although many other regions in the globe, they having either decline or sustainability when it comes to VC fund, we are noticing 33% increase in VC fund between 22 to 23. Yesterday in this stage, 835 million. This is almost 60% of the total VC fund in 2023. And this is increasing our ambition that hopefully by closing this year, 2024, definitely we're exceeding our numbers last year. That's from the investment fund. Another great announcement happening also from the hall number 3, which is the startup and entrepreneur. 6 fundraising closed yesterday. Closed and announced more than $50 million being committed and funded to those entrepreneurs. It's a historical day for them. It's a historical day for me. In the one day only, closing more than 50 million for those entrepreneurs and great mind. And the third one, yes, indeed. And the third one, we believe in public-private partnership, and we walk the talk. On this stage as well, we announced yesterday 5 programs with total more than $600 million committed to be funded for those entrepreneurs. So we have 800 from the private sector, 50 closed deal for entrepreneurs just in one day, and $600 million to be funded from the government to those entrepreneurs. So today we have another round of historical announcement will be happening after this in this stage. I'm really excited about this LEAP. It's another, as His Excellency Swaha mentioned, this is a LEAP style. We walk the talk. And I would like to welcome you again to LEAP 24. I wish you like a successful day for creating opportunity, digital prosperity, and increasing the development. One more thing that I want to highlight, and again I want to repeat it, please visit Hall 3. There is a great mind, great opportunity for investor to be discovered. Thank you very much.